How to clear cache files on iPhone. Now, cache files are just some of the temporary junk files that are stored on your app or devices that your phone doesn't really need but will still consume some space if it is not cleared. On Android, this process is fairly simple. On iPhone, you might think offloading is clearing the cache, but no, offloading app is completely different and irrelevant to clearing the cache files. Because when you offload an app, it will only delete the app but keep its data, which means even the cache files data, and it will reinstall the app when you reinstall and unoffload. But when clearing the cache, it will keep both the application and the data, but it will only delete the temporary junk files. iPhones, unfortunately, though, does not have a default way to achieve this. So we have to rely on a third-party app, which is also free to use. It's called CCleaner. So it's available for Android, even iPhone or Mac. So download CCleaner and then simply open it up. It does have premium version, by the way, but we will simply make do with the free version, right? So let's just wait until this process is actually complete, and we'll tap on grant permission, allow full access, and we will allow all the access that this application requires for us to do so. Once we've done that, let's just wait until it's done allowing. So what we'll do is when you come to this page, it will ask you to prompt you to get the premium, but we will just select skip for now button from the top right. Here it says quick clean needs access. So just tap on it, tap on allow access, tap on continue to select all the contacts access, and tap on quick clean again. Then it will just verify all the junk files that are stored within your device and will completely clear them out as well. This is how you can clear cache files on iPhone. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.